Hey guys, so I thought I would come on and do this video of a product that was just sent to me by a company named VERAGE. You can check the link below, but this is a humongous suitcase. It's a lot of fun actually. It's very durable, but yet it's incredibly lightweight, so that's really nice. It's got the double handle here, so you could either walk it this way. I'm having fun with this. Walk it this way, or you can bring up the handle and you can do this way. And once again, I mean, it's really smooth. I'm really liking this. So it is, it's been tested for durability, so it's incredibly durable, but yet, like I said, it's very lightweight. It's expandable. It has a locking mechanism, which is awesome. And we're going to go ahead and open it up here. I'm going to set it down. Here we go. And let me just unzip it here. So you can see how large it is. It's got this nice mesh compartment and then an inner mesh compartment for, I don't know, I guess you could put an iPad, maybe water, something like that in there. It's got a pocket here and obviously just all this space here. And I'm liking this thing. Now, of course, you could obviously use it for luggage, but guess what I'm going to use it for? I'm going to use it for our photo shoots, to lug all my boots around, all my outfits around, because you know what? We've been using like a plastic container that you have to like grip and everything. So this is going to be awesome. I'm excited. So please check out this company, VERAGE. Like I said, it's been tested. Oh, it's got a 3-year warranty, so that's awesome too. So they've really tested out their product, and it's like really nice quality. And I'm going to bring it up here. There we go. And bringing it back up. So like I said, it really wheels nice, and hopefully maybe I can go on a trip soon. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I am wearing our 2.0 patent leather boots and these nice pants here, and you can check out all our links down below. It also has an antibacterial lining, so that's awesome as well. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you all have a very blessed day, and I'm going to go find something to do with my luggage. Bye.